Welcome to Mindset Mastery Talks podcast, where thoughts transform, minds reset, and the journey toward a stronger, calmer version of you begins. Today, we are talking about something almost every human struggles with: overthinking. If your mind keeps replaying the same worries, if you often imagine the worst outcomes, if your thoughts make you tired, even when your body is resting, then this episode is for you. So take a deep breath, inhale slowly, and exhale gently. Because today, your mind deserves peace. What is overthinking, really? Overthinking is not just thinking too much. It is a mental loop where your brain tries to solve problems that may not even exist yet. It sounds like, what if I fail? What will people say? Was I good enough? Did I make the wrong choice? Your body is here, but your mind is trapped in a future or a past that is no longer real. You are alive, but you are not living. Why does the mind overthink? Because the mind is trying to protect you. It believes that if it predicts every possible danger, then maybe, just maybe, you can avoid pain. But pain is part of life. Growth is part of life. And you cannot live fully while trying to avoid every possible risk. Overthinking is a cage made of invisible thoughts. Hidden damage of overthinking. It takes away your sleep, your confidence, your focus, your inner peace. People don't see the battle you fight every day inside your head. While others see you sitting quietly, they don't know your mind is running miles. You are not weak. You are just tired of carrying thoughts that were never meant to be this heavy. Powerful ways to break the overthinking cycle: name the thought. When a thought repeats, whisper to yourself, this is overthinking, not reality. Naming the thought separates you from the voice in your mind. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. Come back to the present moment. Overthinking lives in two places: the past you cannot change and the future you cannot control yet. Bring your mind back by asking, what is real right now, in this moment? Notice your breath. Notice the space around you. Notice that you are safe right now. 3. The 5-year question: ask yourself, will this matter 5 years from now? If not, it does not deserve your entire heart today. Life is too short to lose sleep over moments that will become distant memories. A life lesson story comes a man who spent every night sitting by his window, worrying. What if I lose everything? What if I fail? What if people laugh at me? One night, an old monk visited him and asked, if a problem has a solution, why worry? If a problem has no solution, why worry? The man finally understood, worry changes nothing, but peace changes everything. A healing perspective shift. Repeat this slowly in your mind. I am safe. I am learning. I am growing. I am not my thoughts. Your mind is loud because it wants to protect you. But there is a voice deeper than fear, the voice of wisdom, calmness, and truth. Affirmations. Repeat after me. My mind is my friend. I choose peace over fear. I release the thoughts that don't help me grow. I deserve rest. I allow life to unfold without forcing every answer. Thank you for listening to Mindset Mastery Talks podcast. If today's episode brought you even a little peace, remember, you are stronger than your fears. You are bigger than your thoughts. And you are worthy of a life that feels calm and meaningful. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Until next time, take control of your mind and take control of your life.